Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, hold up a second. Let me go back a little bit so you can see. Hey, it's me, Imani Bree. If you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't been, then nice to meet you. If you want to watch and see how I got this hair, stick around until the end to see the final result. I don't know what's going on in the world when I post this because I filmed this a week ahead of time. It is June 3rd right now. It's been a rough week, y'all. I still have all of the kind of like Black Lives Matter resources, petitions, donation links in the description down below, so definitely check those out. But I have definitely needed some self-care, I guess. And this is a video that I already have kind of had the idea for, had the supplies for, so this is the week to do it. If you looked at the title, you already know what this is. I'm going to try my first lace front wig. So excited. You saw me try the wig last time, and that was an experience. It didn't have any lace on it, and I just could not get that like front edge to look right at all. So I'm hoping with the lace front that it will be a little bit, not easier, but like it'll make sense, you know, I'll be able to watch tutorials and stuff on it. So if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of my content, and let's get on with it. Ooh, okay. So the wig, I just unboxed it. It came with like one of those like wig grip bands, which I did not expect at all. So that's so cool. It also came with a wig cap. That's cool. I did not expect that. And this was a good price. So this is a JOEDIR 30-inch lace front, and I think the name is Gianna because that's what it says on it. And it's in 1B. I got this for $38.99, which I think is really impressive, but I'm looking online right now and it's $43.99, so still I think a pretty good price. Okay, so let's look at the actual wig. I don't know why 30 inches in my head was not this long. Like that. It looks really pretty. Before I put this on, actually, let me put my wig cap on. So my hair is just in mini twists. My hair is just like that. It's not really pinned well at all in the back, but I think that's fine for right now because like I'm gonna put the wig cap on. I just wanted it to be a little bit flatter than I think my flat twist got last time. So I'm gonna use the wig cap that they gave, like looking off at the mirror in the back to make sure that it like looks good. And because I'm only gonna wear this for like 8 hours tops, I'm not gonna cut the lace at all, and I'm also only gonna use GOT2B spray, so I'm not really worried about like putting it over and making sure that like I cut out the areas for the ears. I just want it to sit in a place where it's gonna be hidden by the wig. So I think I'm gonna put it like right there maybe. Yeah, I'm putting it like right there, and then just putting it behind my ears. And also, again, same disclaimer as I did in the last video, I don't have my glasses on, so it's kind of hard for me to see. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. My hairline comes forward like this and then kind of like goes back, so there's a ton of space here where it's just skin, but then here it's like right at my hairline, so I think that's good. Okay, so now that I have the cap on, I'll actually try and put the wig on. Ooh, I think it looks so pretty. This is what it looks like right out of the bag. Obviously it has a little bit of frizz, which it's synthetic and it's from Amazon, so I'm fine with that. But I do think it is better than the other one that I used in the last video. Okay, so this is how the front looks. Like I can see obviously like where the holes are and everything, but I don't think that's bad. Like I think it will be fine, and I think it'll look better once I have like the lighter wig cap underneath it. I'm like trying to check the mirror to make sure you guys can see this. This is how the front of the wig looks. It goes pretty far down. The holes are pretty big, but I think this is good. At least definitely for like my first lace front wig. I'm so sold on this. Ooh, okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh boy. This is probably gonna be the hardest part of the whole actual like video. It fits pretty snugly. Yeah, it fits very snugly actually, wow. I also have kind of a big head though, so there's that. Obviously, I'm gonna need to put my wig cap way farther back. So right now I can't really pull this wig down any farther. It may be that it has the like grip that I can loosen. I'll try that in a second. I just wanted to just real quick, just look at this. Oh my God. Okay, hold up a second. Let me go back a little bit so you can see. You can see all of this. Oh my God. Okay, I really like this. This one I'm in love with, and I don't even have my glasses on. Okay, all right, I very much like this. I'm gonna take it off real quick so that I can figure out what's going on with the wig cap. Let me try and slick back my edges first. I'm going to use some Shine and Jam. Let me try and put the wig on again now and see if it looks a little bit better. Yeah, I think. I also am not wearing any makeup other than like my eyebrows and a little bit of like concealer under my eyes, because I figured that I'd be moving stuff around a lot and that if I had like a ton of foundation on my forehead, woo, it would not look good. I'm gonna take it off again. I know I just keep like putting it on and taking it off. Okay, I do think I can loosen it up, so I'm gonna loosen it just a little bit. Yeah, so it has like the hook here. I'm just gonna take this hook off. Okay, and the other clasp, let's see. I think this is just confirmation that I have a huge head. Okay, so with both clasps undone, this is so good. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I feel like that's really good. I feel like it sits on my head pretty well. I'll try and like take a step back so you guys can see. Like I know I have a little bit of a bump here, but I think that's more so because of like just the way that I kind of had to pin my hair back than anything. Close-ups. That's how it looks right now. You know, I'm getting a little bit of like frizziness over here. I should have bought mousse. I didn't. I have other stuff, so I'll probably use that. I can feel it starting to pull back a little bit. Okay, so now that I have it like on my head in a way that I think is pretty good, I'm going to pull it back so I can get a better view of the lace. And then I think I'm also gonna put my glasses on. Sorry if the framing is weird at any points. I've started filming with my back camera versus my front one. I think it makes it look a little bit better, but it also means that I have to like look through 2 different mirrors to see what's going on, so. Okay, so the method that I'm gonna be following in terms of the GOT2B spray is mainly from Pisces Finest. She's a great YouTuber. I watch all her stuff. I'll put like her channel down in the description. And so she did it with just GOT2B, but she used the spray and the glue. She used the glue for like the front after she cut it. I'm going to attempt to only use the spray, so we'll see how that goes. Let me make sure it's like how I want it. So now I'm going to take the pins out. This is basically the closest thing I have to a brush, so I'm just going to use this in terms of like kind of trying to brush stuff away. I think the way that she's doing it is basically by like separating the hair, and she did this on straight hair, mind you, like figuring out, yeah, where like a centimeter back is. But this is actually separating out so well. I'm so impressed with this hair. Sorry for it being a total mess. I'm really trying. I realized looking back on this that I sprayed way too far back. The lace only goes back like a centimeter, so I should have just done it there. But I kept going farther and farther back, so at some point I was basically just spraying over the tracks and the wig cap itself, and that's not what I was trying to do. So next time I definitely would not go that far back. I'm gonna do one last kind of like check. Make sure that this is where I want it to be, and now, wish me luck. I'm gonna take this and then just along this like lack of a part, I'm gonna start, ooh. So she didn't do this in her video, but I'm just gonna do it because I think it's gonna help. I'm going to spray down the middle part and then just kind of like fan it. Oh, ha, I have a blow dryer. I could use the blow dryer for this. I didn't even think about that. Okay, so that feels pretty dry. The next thing that she did was just to make sure that like it still sat right, brushing or combing the hair back so that it wasn't all caught. Like the lace is really the thing that I'm trying to lay, not the hair itself. Oh my god, this also, I was watching a video with someone who used it and she said that it felt like water, and I was like, I don't know what she's talking about. As soon as you put it on, it starts to run, and then wherever it lands when it runs, it immediately gets tacky. I think I should put the spray on first. So what I'm gonna do is clip this stuff back again. So now around the lace, I'm just gonna make sure it's all pushed back so that I don't get the spray really up in there. Do one clip first because I want a little bit of room there, so I'm just clipping just any tension that like will be let go. All right, I'm gonna start at the middle and just go ahead. And this lace is so short that like I really don't have to worry about like a ton of the lace getting stuck that like I didn't want stuck. Okay, so I'm doing like these, like the middle and front part first, and I'm putting a little bit on the hair. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I just want to make sure it also, like any lace under there. I'm probably putting way too much of this on. I don't know. I'm having fun with this, so. So I basically sprayed from here down to like where these two kind of like slits that I made are. Make sure I pull this down as far as possible and doing one side at a time. This is how it looks. So I sprayed here, and then I sprayed up to like here, so I still have this area to go. Okay, so this feels secure, but not like tight at all, which I think is good. Like it's like that on both sides. I am going to put a like head wrap on just to kind of really lay it. Okay, I'm back. I've had this on for 5-ish minutes, I guess. I think I am going to try actually cutting the lace up. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It's not like, it's fine. It's not that hard. I'm just nervous because that's like the last step. And then I have a mirror here that I'm gonna try and use. I should have been doing that, but I have to get like super close. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here and just. There was no way I was gonna cover this and not like make this go super low, which I couldn't really do. Okay, I'm not mad, to be honest, about this area. It's fine, it's not perfect, but it's fine. This is where it gets funky. That's okay-ish. I'm gonna go in the mirror without the camera for a second and just try my best to like cut it. I can't do it on camera, whatever. And come back in a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the baby hairs. Oh my god, I did not realize how much that's lifting up. Oh no. Next time I put this on, I'm definitely gonna have to like figure out a different placement. I don't know. So I realized looking back on this that I should not have cut those baby hairs that long. I forgot that they were both in baby hairs already, and so I started creating my own and just cutting way too much. And so next time my advice to myself would just be, look for the baby hairs before you start cutting your own. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel. So I'm just gonna wear the hair. Oh my god, I can't wear it like that. That looks so bad. Okay, this is not the finished product. I'm gonna go do some stuff and then try and come back and show you something that looks halfway decent. I don't like this because it actually looks more fake. Like if I didn't do baby hairs like that, that actually looks somewhat more realistic. Like that looks halfway realistic because I'm like barely doing anything. Like, does this look like a wig? Absolutely. Does it look bad? No. Okay, forgive me, I'm all over the place, but the last thing I kind of wanted to do is take some of my usual like powder and just put it in here. It's a little bit more natural. And then also put it in here. That looks a little bit better, okay. If this is the final result that I end up doing, if I'm like, screw it all and I just do this, not bad. Like what I'll probably do is wear this for the rest of the day. We'll see, but I love this hair. I just like want to give you a full view of it. I love it. I think this is like so dope. I'm just taking a little bit of the curling cream that I usually use with some water just to like along here, try and get it to lay like it did. Oh yes. Does this look like a wig? Obviously, but like, does it look like a bomb wig? Yes. All right, well, that's it. This was not that expensive on Amazon. I would definitely buy this or like another wig from this brand. I know they have one that I think is a little less like curly like this and more like a looser curl. I definitely would get this again. Love it. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. I also have a bunch more videos, so go check those out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.